Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on LG Q70. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is right here, that's a phone call speaker. Next one is at the bottom right here, there's this 3 gaps and that's a speaker. Now to determine if they are stereo, we'll need to play a music, cover each of the speaker with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try it out. So as you just heard, there's, or you didn't probably, but what I noticed, there's only sound in a bottom speaker, and that means it's a mono speaker on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.